so here's Mr. Bradley's problem. Mr. Bradley's problem is 8 plus 2 times 3p plus 1. Now, this is how he solved it. 10 times 3p plus 1, and then he distributed 10 and did 30p. 10 times 1 is 10. Well, he made the mistake. Where's his mistake? Do you see it? This is where he made his mistake. We don't add before the parentheses. We have to distribute first. So this is the problem. 8 plus 2 times 3p plus 1. To solve the problem correctly, we have to distribute 2 times 3p plus 2 times 1. Why are you eating all of my cucumbers?
It's the last one.
Exactly. You ate them all.
No, I didn't.
Samuel. Anyway, all right. So 8
You have to redo
plus,
this now.
no I don't, 6p plus 2 times 4, or 2 times 1, sorry, is 2. Now, commutative property. We have to add 8
Sam,
plus 2 because it's a positive 2. So that's 10 plus 6p. There is the correct answer for Mr. Bradley. Poor Mr. Bradley had no clue.
He did it wrong.
He did it wrong. All right, so let's take a look at perimeter. Perimeter is...
What do you mean? This is mine.
Okay,
Never mind.
the formula for perimeter is
Oh,
side
no,
1
video camera with her.
plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. Now these are a little tricky.
Okay, I'm doing this way too far out.
Find the perimeter. So this would be 7 plus W plus 3 minus 2G plus G. Okay, so
Sis, stop.
number 14. Because this is Samuel. Side 1, side 2, and side 3. We're going to add all of our sides together. Seven plus W plus 3 minus 2G plus G. Well, 7 and 3, so that's 10, plus W, and minus 2G plus 1 minus 1G. That's the perimeter of number 14, the triangle. Number 15 is a square. So the perimeter equals side 1 times 4, or side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. This is probably more efficient. They're all the same. So we can say 4 times 4z plus 3. 4 times 4 is 16z plus 4 times 3, or 12. Okay? Number 16. Perimeter again. you should be writing your formula every time you work through your problem because that makes it easier for you to remember, puts it into your memory. So let's try. Side 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ignore my obnoxious son.
And
Counting
my
on
terrible
furniture.
video skills.
No, this assignment isn't working, and it's annoying.
Samuel.
Also, apologize for my videotaping skills.
Okay. So now we have 6b minus 5a, side 1, plus 3b, side 2, plus 3ab plus 4, and plus 2. Now, there again, we have to do the commutative property because this is very long. So do we have any b and b? So this is a plus, so 6b plus 3b is 9b. Minus 5ab plus 3ab plus 4a plus 2a. Okay, well now I see my ab's are here in the center. So 9b, negative 5ab plus 3ab would be minus 2ab plus 4a plus 2a. Okay? Now here are my a's. So 9b minus 2ab plus 4 plus 2 was 6a. That's my perimeter for number 16. All right, number 17 is a rectangle. And because it's a rectangle, we have two sides that are long and two sides that are short. The square, we could say 4, whoops. We could say 4 times side 1 because all the sides are exactly the same in a square. But for the perimeter of a rectangle, you have side, well, it's going to be 2 times side 1. And you're going to add 2 times side 2. So this would be side 2. This would be side 1. You have 2 side 1s that are exactly the same size, and you have 2 side 2s that are exactly the same size. So let's see how that looks when we work through the problem. Okay, so P equals 2 times side 1 plus 2 times side 2. Okay? 2 times side 1 is 7 plus 3k plus 2 times side 2, which is 5k plus 2. Let's work through side 1 first. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3k is 6k. Plus 2 times 5, which is 10k. 2 times 2, which is plus 4. Here are my k's in the center. Plus 6k and plus 10k is 16k plus 4. 14 plus 4 would be 18 plus 16k. That is your perimeter for number 17. Okay. Any questions? Shoot them to me on Google Classroom. All right. Now, our next set of problems are finding the area of the given shape. Remember, area of a rectangle is length times width. Area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times height, or base times height divided by 2. So the dimensions of our rectangle for number 18 And you can draw the picture. If it helps you visualize, draw the picture. So let's take a look at the first one here, 18. We're going to draw a picture.
His mom is a golden retriever who was homeless for 6 months in Alabama. When she became pregnant,
The length is 5,
Clean Dogs Unleashed decided to help.
and the width is 3G plus 5M plus 6. What is the area? Well, area is length times width. So you're going to take the length times the width.
USS Malloy's birthday was July 4th.
Okay? So area equals 5 times 3G is 15G plus 5 times 5M or 25M plus 5 times 6 or 30. That's the area for the rectangle of number 18. Okay? All right, let's take a look at 19. Again, rectangle. Length. This one's different. The width is 7, and the length is 6K times, plus 7. Okay? Still, area is length times width. So our area equals our length, 6K plus 7 times 7. We're going to do it the same way we did here. We're just doing it backwards. So the area is going to equal 7 times 6K plus 7 times 7. There's your area for rectangle number 19.
Just set it on a stand, push a button, and walk away. The spot
Here we go with our triangles. I know these triangles are always tricky for us. So here's the base and the height. Here's our triangle. Okay. Doesn't matter if it's a right triangle or not. We'll do a different one next time. But for this one, this is my base, which is 12. This is my height, which is 5A plus 7B. Okay? The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay? Or 1/2 the base times the height. I'll write it that way too. Or base times height divided by 2. All right? So, base times height. Base is 12. We're going to multiply it by the height, 5A plus B, 7B. Okay? Divided by 2. All right. 12 times 5A would be 60A plus 12 times 7B, which is 84B divided by 2. Now, if we multiplied 1/2 times 60 plus 84B. So 1/2 times 60A is 30A. Divide this by 2. Plus 1/2 of 84B, which is 42B. So your area is 3042B. So that's how you figure out if you use base times height, 1/2 base times height. If we're doing this, we can cross multiply. Or we can 60 over 2, 60 divided by 2, 84 over 2, or 84 divided by 2 gives us the same answer. Okay? Just 2 different ways to find out the same answer. All right, number 21. The triangle has dimensions. Now we can do the triangle this way. This is our height, right in the center. So our height is 8. Our base is 6y plus 5y plus 2. All right. Area equals base times height over 2, or 1/2 base times height, however you would like to do it. So the base, 6y plus 5y plus 2 times 8. 8 times 6y is 48y plus 40y plus 16 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24y plus 40 divided by 2, 20y plus 16 divided by 2, 8. Okay? That's your area of your triangle. All right. The last two, 22 and 23. A triangle has a perimeter of 10A plus 3B plus 12, with sides of 3A plus 8 and 5A plus B. So let's draw our picture. So the perimeter is 10A plus 3B plus 12. One side is 3A plus 8. One side is 5A plus B. We need to figure out what is that side. So let's add these two sides together. 3A plus, my pencil. Plus 5A plus B. I have my A's. That's 8A plus 8 plus B. Well, let's use our letters first and our numbers last. All right. Now, we need to figure out what this side is. So if I take my perimeter, 10A plus 3B plus 12, and I subtract 8A plus B plus 8. What is the difference? 2A plus 2B plus 4. That is side 3. Okay? Last one, and then you're done with me for the day. 23. A rectangle has a length. So here, let's draw a rectangle. A rectangle has a length of 3x plus 4 and a perimeter of 10x plus 18. So this would be 3x plus 4. We have no idea what this is or that. So how do we figure it out? Well, we know perimeter of a rectangle is side 1 and 2 times side 1 and 2 times side 2. So we know what side 1 is. So if we add side 1 together, because that's 2 times side 1, or 2 plus side 1 plus side 1, x plus 4, and we add 3x plus 4, plus 8. This is side 1 plus side 2. No, that's wrong. 2 side 1. Okay. So we know the whole perimeter is equal to 2 times 3x plus 4 times 2 times, we don't know. So 6x plus 8 plus, we don't know. So what if I were to subtract 6x plus 8 from this side and subtract 6x plus 8 from this side, right? This leaves me with the question mark over here.
4x.
So this would be 4x plus 10. But remember, this is times 2. So I have to divide 2 and divide by 2 over here. So my side 2 would be 4x divided by 2 is 2x. And 5, or you goofed me up, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So side 2 or what are we looking for? The width
Problem, because you have to find the side.
of our triangle, or of our rectangle, is 2x plus 5. Done. Okay? So that's the math assignment that she left for you to do for homework today. So take a look at it. Let me know if you have any questions, and we can work through it together. All right? See you guys soon. Bye.